Hello everyone, Jason back again. Now we have successfully deployed a resource group on virtual network. So the next step is to have the virtual machines created. So we're going to deploy the virtual machine. So as usual, go to home, and what you do is click on create a resource. So you can do a quick start, or what you can do is you go to compute, click on virtual machine, and we are going to choose a 2016 Windows Server this time. And first of all, select your subscription, select the resource group to which the virtual machine belongs to. So the virtual machine name, we're going to give as our work. So I'm following Microsoft article to do this. So I'll paste all these articles, in the comment section, and you can make use of it as well. So we are choosing the location as East US again, and we're going to choose Windows Server 2016. Let's go ahead and choose Windows Server 2019, which is the latest one. So the next one is you need to provide your username. So I'm going to provide my name, jason.r. So the password is, I'm going to give a password. So it works. So the public inbound port, and I'm just going to choose it as none. So licensing, no, I'm going to say no for that at this moment. I'm going to leave it as default. We're just doing it for the test purpose. So I'm going to click on next to go to the next tab, which is disk. Under the disk tab, what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave it as it is. It's going to be premium SSD, and I'm going to leave everything. So I'm going to click on go to the next tab, which is networking. So once I go to the networking tab, now I choose a virtual network, so which is the test firewall VN is going to be my virtual network, and in my subnet is going to be the workload SN, so which is chosen correctly. And the public IP, I'm going to choose, I'll leave it as none at this moment. And I guess rest all is all good. And I'll jump to management. Correct. Yeah, okay. So here, what I'm going to do is under the management, I'm going to turn off the boot diagnostics here. So I'm just going to put it off, and then I'm going to click on review and create. So rest I'm going to leave it as default. So the template is showing up. It shows you the subscription amount. So the virtual machine costs around $9,000. So rest of the amount shows up here. So this is for per month, and click on create. And now we are deploying the virtual machine. So the deployment takes a few seconds, and it should show us whether it succeeded or not in a couple of minutes here in the notification. Right now the deployment is in progress. So here's a sequence of what we have created. So we have created a resource group, we have created a virtual network, and now we are deploying a virtual machine into that's with the virtual networks, with the subnets we created. You can see the resources showing up here one after another. All right, so the deployment is successful. So great. So thanks, for patiently watching the session. So we'll come back soon on the next session to show you, how to deploy the firewall and make it work, how to accept the inbound traffic from outside and all those things. We'll discuss soon. Thanks all.